Yes, that is it, man. See them? Looking so. Yo, yeah. Run, come, Jake. Run, come fast before them crab move. Yes, guys. So watch out. We are crab bush tonight, and a whole heap of crab out. Now catch 2 crab. I'll show you where I go on. But you know, make sure I have in my bag. Yeah? My bag, the peeps. Yeah, man. That's my bag. So I wait for Angie for forward, so I can give me crab in my bag. You see me? Come can take up your crab them. Yeah, man. Alright, somebody. Yes, guys. Come in, Angie. Come in. So we're outside now, yeah?
Outside for the next banger.
Guys, so brother, you take too long. Come in, Joe. Come hold the bag. Yes, guys. So watch out. Don't watch your bad word too. Watch out, peeps.
Yes, man.
Watch out. Watch out
the tree.
Oi. Ay. Bukal na clap ang finger, peeps. Oh man, come here. Come on, my bag. Watch out, man. Come here. Oi, finger.
Bag him up.
Yes, peeps. Bag him up. One day I go in the mall. I want them can catch him. Oh wait, we not forget to crab going out, man. Crab, yeah. Alright, peeps, watch out. Make him way, no. Make him way, man. Make him way. Alright, take him up. Ay. Alright, peeps, see what we have to go through. Watch out. Hold it back, Joe. Ay. Watch out. You see, I know Andre reach over here, so come in, Joe. Come in. I know the man reach over here, so I'll call him, man. Yes, peeps, watch out. I run 40 crab over here, so brother. 40 million. And a 40. I'm back the Joe, last it. Oh, yes, my peeps, so. Anyway, I go load up the bag and then show you where I go on the real way, as in. I go load up the bag, then start video. Then start catch some video, guys. And yeah, catch some crab, as in. Because don't know I can't carry the bag and video same time. So look out for that one here. Guys, so see that? Hey boy, what's your bad word? Yes, guys, so everybody out, you know. Where water then there? Where free water then there? Yes, guys, everybody out there. So Andre this, so Leon this, so Joe this, so everybody wanna know. See the father over there, so. Mosquito them live, see Mikey over there, so Max this, guys. I remember showing you what we have. We have whole heap of crab now, guys. I'm going to crab around. Run around part here. Turn on the light and give you some thing there. Okay, guys. You see that? 2 seal bag of crab that, you know. It's 2 there. 2 seal bag over there too, guys. Yeah, man. So here me I say. As me say, I want to show you some catching the peeps. As me say, me and Angie catch crab together. So we seal 2 bag already. A 4 bag we have, guys. What we are going to do, we are going to catch again. We will half each bag. We are going to load up together. So we have 1 bag left, so we can show them the catch them after that. You see, guys, because we have half the bag there. So stay tuned. We're there. Okay, so see, I crab up my tree, they say, you know. I put on my gloves. Grab him right now. See, yeah? I grab him and locking claw. Come on, so. Come on. Ah, yeah, man. You get catch. Bring you. Get catch, peeps. So, I can load him in the bag now, so you know how that guy is in. Yeah, man, crap, catch. Put on the phone now. Guys, so who mum here? Angie, we see if Angie can go and something. Grab me my big claw. Wait, mind look and say, you know. Grab me my claw, I'll buy him back. Alright. Yes, my peeps. Grab the next one. Grab the next one. See, Max, I'll take you on there. Yes, man, peeps. Max, watch your light. Oh, your light is so bright. Yeah, man, peeps. Max on him light. I'll blind the camera, you know. Look at that tree them here. Big boy them, I tree them.
Yo, them hands are bite.
Yes, man. I cut them cut skin, man. Now you have some, man. Yes, man, my peeps. What that? Him sting? Yeah. Yeah, man. I saw them go, man. Eh? Yeah. You see him? Yes, man, peeps. So, we're the pan on same way. Crocodile one, my crocodile man, him name not to it, him. Crocodile man. Yes, guys. Goal him, boy. What's the man? Goal him. You take him up? Show the peeps them one, and put him in the bag. A woman, nice, a fat woman. That is it, peeps. That is it, a fat woman. A fat woman, all that. Eh. The Joe barefoot night, watch it, guys. Joe barefoot like crab bush. Them man there, crocodile. I'm afraid of that. Guys. Oh? No, not Jane dress up. All. Black it, man, black it. You want me to catch it with my foot? Alright, watch out. No, man, I catch it with my foot, man. And you run, go on the tree, yeah. Oh, God, man. Go on the tree, no, man. Go on the tree. So, them run to you, I'm catch it. Go on the tree. If I even won. Alright, peeps. Alright. Get him, get the one. One on the, I see one. Say, Anna, yes. See me?
Where?
See me in front of me. See me, don't you might go feel one. Oi, man. I'm catching him with foot. See me, take him up. Yes, my peeps, I'm rolling with the foot. Alright. Take him up and come. You hold him? Small now. Hold him, boy. Hold him, buyer man. Alright, buyer man. Watch a buyer man. Come back here, now. Looking at the tree, buyer man. See the buyer man. Big boy. Hold him by him big car and drop him in the bag. See the guys. See the. Grab him, boy. Grab him. Buy him all there. Alright, come back up, person. One more person in the tree. Come. Right on back there, one in the tree. Come, Jay. How do you think come now? Look, I can come now. No, come, Jay, come. See me? Oi, Froggy. I know you're telling no one, Froggy. Alright, Jay. So, Anna, catch one first. Got an hole? Look in this side for see one. Look at my foot there, look. You see him? Alright, take him out. You want to go? See my run the Jay. Get him, boy. Get him. What's up, peeps? Well, comfortably now, watch him. Oh, God, man. I pity you know what time it is. Oh, you're going to a party now. You get curry. You get brown stew. You get roast. I don't know where you get. You cook with roti. You cook with dumpling, wild dumpling. You cook, I don't know what else. I don't know what else to say right now. I'm confused. You cook with woolly person. You look on some apart, alright? Jay, see ya. Just push your hand back this and take him out. Push your hand back so and run him come so. Yeah? So, and run him come so. Grab him now. Oi. None of that, boss. None of that tonight. None of that. Me too. Alright, peeps. So my time for go and grab some crab now. Get me, I say? Yeah, cause Jay bag get big, so don't have to walk up and down with the weight. So, me I go start catching now, peeps. You see me? Yeah, man. I start catching now. Here, boy, scammer down, so scammer just forward, peeps. Yeah, man. So we enjoy the night, guys. We got more. Who got much bag we got, Jay? 2 bags. 2 bags and a half now. Yes, guys. 2 bags and a half between me and Jay. 3.5. Oh, God. 3.5, peeps. Yes, that's 3.5.
21 dozen crabs so far.
21 dozen. And with dual crab them, we have around 40 dozen crab, peeps. And with everybody crab, we have 100 dozen. You better stay there. Remember, call me. You see me?
20.
Call up.
Ready.
See first. One more there. Let's see where you go. Where they go? Come man, come go in my bag, man. Yes, a piece. So this is how we hunt, you know? See that? Crab bush are quick. Find it, guys. I think that is the last crab bush we know, guys. But the last one. You see crab them around see me, so I fall back down here. Yeah, Andre. Yeah, we catch crab. We are going good, you see me? We are going about 5 meters. Most bag down here.
5 bag.
Yeah.
No soon see them crab. We not cap, you know.
Alright, yeah, come to it. We're going to see it. We're not going to go out there, yeah?
Stop it.
Yeah.
3 of them, you know. 1.
Oh, God. I want to tell them I get that.
2.
I finger.
See next one there.
Wait.
See him there in front.
Abakla.
4. So one more there.
Wait.
See him there.
Oh.
See him? Hush.
Gone, man.
No man, him not gone, man. See him there in front. So one there.
Wait.
See him there.
Good thing. Alright, peeps. Yeah, man. So
Grab them there.
One there. Oh, it's small, man. What can you say?
No man, so one there, brother.
Wait.
Kind of small, see him there.
Hold him. Catch him. One there. Yes, man, peeps. We're active. We grab them. Active. Move on.
I'll bite you, you know.
Oi.
Bite you, though.
Yeah.
See my pincher.
Oi.
See that peeps? Grab them active.
Active.
When I tell you, say, we have 5 back, don't think a joke.
Come here.
See that peeps? Eh?
Oi, man, now we go.
More.
Eh?
See one up on the tree, yeah? 2 of them. But I'm bought with them, eh?
Which one first? Look first. Oi. See after them. Since now, go ahead back. Come go ahead back now. Oi, man. Now say bite me now. Go ahead back.
One day in front here, you know.
Yes.
On the right, that's it. Somewhere else, that's it. Look here, sir. Go on. Look if I see him.
Okay,
You see him?
yeah.
I don't know, I see one.
Alright, but we know what to do now with you. Now, head back the way. Yeah? I can see my man. Oh, I look for mum here now.
So one there, big one. In front.
One there, now.
I'm in front. Watch it, boy. See that peeps? Grab there enough.
Active. Half the bag and done in the piece, car. We're not here to breathe, you know. You make a 5 already. The way you go back, there's some go back the way. And they will go so, and they will come out like bush. And I'm supposed to wood ya. Look and hold me. You know?
Yeah. Water to eye, boy. There you go. Eh?
Oi, Sam,
So you might go and relax, you know?
Oi. Ay, yan, stop. Come here, Sam. Right? Woman crab. See your egg, you know? Look at my piece. You know what? No movement. We are making way back the way right, sir. I do your water there, sir. I don't know as a chronic class of pits. Crocodile, this guy is like in a bush. You see me? You see like how them wood there? So the people them this way. Like how you see the wood there lie down, sir? I saw them lie down in the ground piece.
Yeah, but we work not for sin on right now.
Yeah.
We don't want to sin on.
Other night piece, now I laugh with you. Buck about 5 of them.
But when we see a 3-foot one, I go grab him, but I let him go back.
Okay, I don't know when the wildlife, you know? Wildlife attack, so we need some doing another different way. Small boy, man, well small. I make him stay for next year. See ya? Stay for next year. See ya? Purple boy. Run. Don't let them find him. Run. Come on, you take it. Run.
Sorry, though. So on now?
Come on. like me. See? I'm really back to hold me. Wait, you want to see what's the nice?
Overlook for him.
I will pick and choose, no one see. Pick and choose, pick and choose.
Yeah, sir, we done catch our crab them already. We want.
Half a bag of fish. Half a bag and done, start to carry, go by the beach. They're far away, you know? Quarter mile low. Quarter mile walk.
Far away have to go, man. I think go on look because see him there over there, so I wonder if I hole in there. See him there? Look like a hole in there.
Hole in there? I can see man. Come.
I don't know.
Come on, listen. There's like a hole in there. Look at that. It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's a crab, it's going up the tree. Come on! Come on! Yes guys, so you see what I'm doing? Ay! Fucking one crab. Ay! Watch it, you see that? So we have to take crab bite. Teka, kami yan naman. Nice. Ang buhaya.
So ano?
Yeah.
See him?
Alright. Okay. Hindi?
Oh man. Come on.
Yeah, man.
Come on, crab.
Man, crab.
Check it out. I was say 5 bangs already. You want one? No, play a greedy either.
No, play greedy, yeah. I'll make you wait on front back. Anything you check goes. Anything you see me?
Yeah, one.
Anything you check goes right. Yeah, one. And my guys, nice to put there. We are the duppy them there. We are Jesus there.
Yeah, so you know we're not afraid.
And you know we are the devil there. The devil can't do there. You see, we are Jesus there. Wait, what that sound, Jay?
Which is right. Jesus Christ of Nazareth is Lord. Yeah.
Yes, man, you did it, boy?
Yeah, boy.
Look at this bike. Look at this bike. Come out this side, bike. Come this side. We in Jamaica, please, not say that. Look at this. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, you got to.
3, boy.
You got to. Can you hold the bag of me, yeah? Please and thanks.
Alright. I wonder on a tree root there, you know. Seen the down there, so.
Alright. Alright, Pete. You don't want the nigga in class, so you have to make this. Oi, okay, step on it, step on it. Oi, I don't want to find. Don't want to go on. Find it. Alright, Pete.
Come. Show me that bag and catch that one, because you must slide it.
I'll bite you?
You must bite me.
Must slide it, I slide it. Oh, big kids. Big boy, please. Pull out the bag, man. Pull out the bag.
Hold it back. The next one.
Yeah, he's making it, man. It's small. Let him go.
Come, see one there.
Wait.
I'm just through that tree there, that's it.
You see?
I'm gone. I'm gone.
Yes, man, please. So we're come out of the bush now. Running out of the bush.
Yeah, we now play a greedy. I trust me, the work the right out, that's alright, you know. Carry them go up by van. That's not easy.
That's not easy, not easy.
A whole heap of crab we catch, and I like say. A little bit. And we can drive the van come down here, so. We're about 25 minutes worth of walking with the bag them. So back and forth. You know, so we are looking for roughly 2 hours. What I walk in for carry up all I bag them. And you know, say me outside alone I carry up them, you know. Yeah man, one Jamaica adventure, you hear that? If you wanna like, share and subscribe, you see me? So when you're going on WhatsApp, share with at least 5 persons, you hear that? And beg them 5 persons there to share with 5 persons. You understand? So that 5 persons there, I share with 5, trend go on and you know say reach 5 million subscribers, right?
We need 5 billion people. How we get here? You know what I'm saying? Roadside. Roadside and our people. Roadside and the mango side.
Yeah boy.
Why? What you want to do?
Tell you.
Tell you, boy. I tell you. Hey, boy, bush, boy. I can't sing it now. Yes, my peeps. So, we're going to catch crab. Same time we find something and wash off the thing. Wash off the dirt off of me. So, catch out the night of piece. Watch it. How much bag this? Count out the bag them there. Show the people them.
Crab for days.
Count out the bag, show the people them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 round so 6, 7, 8, 9.
9.
Beer crab, full
9
bag.
full bag peeps. Yes man. Remember guys, we come hunting. You see me? We go hunting and we succeed this tonight. You see me? Right now? Hey, no, so see this also. Yes man, so as I say guys, we do out here, we say we never come back at bush, but we come back and we bingo. You see me? Jerry back at the camera, big up Jay, big up Mikey. Mikey there, so big up Oh God, big up Joe. Max, you know, Marlon, I miss it. Yeah, man. That is it.
Outside.
We're outside.
Sky
Yeah,
level, man.
No.
One Jamaica
Yeah, man.
adventure, you hear that?
remember, guys, like, share, subscribe. We out.
And what are we there?